Hi, I'm Spencer, an expert builder at Naologic, and today I'll be explaining the policy validation functions. Let's get started.
Policy validation functions ensure that users' actions comply with specific policies by adding or checking user roles and permissions within workflows. These functions are essential for maintaining security, access control, and compliance across the platform. In order to add any of these functions to your action, locate the action you want configured, press Edit, then click on Add Function, and then click on Yes. In the function that was just added, search for the Policy Validation Function category, or simply search for Policy in the search bar. Here, you'll have two options. The Add User Policies function assigns specific policies to a user. These policies define the user's access rights, permissions, or constraints within the system. It ensures that users' actions are granted appropriate levels of access based on predefined rules. This function is mostly used for guest users. The Check Users Policy function validates whether a user complies with specific policies before performing an action. This function helps enforce access control and ensures that only authorized users can execute certain tasks. That's the end of our quick tutorial on policy validation functions. You can check out our other documentation videos or reach out to the team and me with any recommendations for future help articles to help speed up your workflow.